Okay, so this is the app URL app.techieride.in. Okay, I logged into this URL, and this is the first screen I got. Okay, so here, so you can see the sign up and login details. So if you are already having the login credentials, we can enter the mobile number and the password and login. So if we are registering for the first time, so we need to click on sign up. Okay, and these are the details we need to enter. So here, this is for name and then gender, password, okay, mobile number and the emergency contact number here we need to update. So these details, suppose for the official email ID and the personal email ID. So whatever we have already in the Hike TechieRide group, so we need to enter those details only. So otherwise, approval will be having some problem. Okay. Hi, could you please keep it on mute? I think somebody is. Yeah. So the organization name, organization address, and the referral mail, email ID. So this is also same. So whatever has been provided at the time of joining the TechieRide, so that referral email ID has to be provided here, and the same referral mobile number, the referral mobile number of the person who has referred you. So you need to enter that here, and then agree the terms and conditions, and then click on sign up. Okay. So that will take you to the first page. Okay. So I'm logging in here. So this is my mobile number. Okay. So the password you need to enter here. Yeah. I'm entering my password. Okay. Okay, and click on login after entering the mobile number and the password. So this is the home page of the web app. Okay. So here you can see the left side, four options are there: home, profile, find a ride, and log out. Okay. So first of all, before if whether it is a rider or seeker, so first of all they need to update their profile details. Okay. For that you need to go to this profile tab. Click on the profile tab here at the left side. So this is the profile page here. So whatever the some of the details entered at the time of sign up, so those will shown up here. And if you want to edit those details, you can edit from this page by clicking on the edit option here at the top right corner. You can see the edit option, right? So this one. So you can click on this edit button, and you can all the details will be enabled for the update. Okay, so you can edit the details. So if you want to change the password, so the new password tab is there, right? So you can enter the new password, and then you can update the details. Okay, after editing that. So this is the profile page, first tab here, and then you have this is the personal details tab. Okay, so and then you need to go to the vehicles tab. Okay, so whenever you are going to post the ride, so if you want to get all these details in the drop down, so you need to update the details first here. So then you will get these details as a drop down when you are posting the ride. Okay, so here in the vehicles tab, the make and model. Okay, so make and model, suppose if it is a Maruti Suzuki Swift, so and then the year, okay, the year and the model name you need to update here, and the vehicle number. So whatever the registered number, the TH08EQ6622, that is in my case. Okay, for example, so you need to update that in this format. Okay? So this is a format, and then okay, so Maruti Suzuki Swift, so the make model is 2015, and comfort capacity. So the car seating capacity we need to update here. So whatever the comfort capacity of your car, you need to update that here. Suppose if it is 5-member capacity, then enter the 5 here. Okay, and then click on add vehicle here. So that will be added in the
అవునన్నా అవునన్నా నాకు ఫోన్ మీటింగ్ ఉందమ్మా. అమ్మ ఫోన్ తీసుకో. ఎత్తుకోనా
Here you can see the vehicle details will be added. Suppose if you are having, uh, could you mute from your side? I think somebody is. Okay. So yeah. So after adding that vehicle, so you can see the details here. So if you are having multiple vehicles, suppose if you are going to use multiple vehicles, so those multiple vehicle details will be shown up here. Okay. So whenever you are updating the ride, suppose you are posting the ride as a rider, so you'll be getting the drop down these multiple vehicles. So you'll be selecting the whatever the vehicle you are taking on that day. So you will be selecting that vehicle. Okay. So for that purpose, we need to update all the vehicle details here. This is of the vehicle details tab, and the other tab is the locations. So locations will contain the data of like your home location and your office location, and via which route you are going to travel. So those area details and location details you can update here. So here, suppose if it is your home location, so enter that, and this is suppose LB Nagar or whatever the area name you are having. So you enter that here. Okay. So I already have one home this here, so I will updating. I'm updating this here. Okay. So you can see that here, the location 4. So I have already three locations. One is home, office, and the third one is the via. So I just added the fourth location here. Okay. So whenever you are posting the ride, so you can see all these in your drop down list. I'm going to show that by posting a ride. Okay. And for updating the via route, so you enter uh, the via route or that thing, and then you select it as enable it as via route, so that it will be shown in the via route tab details. Okay. Suppose I come if any details are like Sagar Ring Road. Okay. So Sagar Ring Road is the via route, so that we can update that and add it in the locations. So you can see that here in the location 5 via Sagar Ring Road. Okay. So you'll be coming to know whenever you're posting the ride, those will be shown up in the drop down list, and we'll come to know at that time. So let's go to the other tab. Okay. This is the profile details, the personal details, vehicle details, and the location details. Okay. So coming to the find a ride. Suppose if I'm a seeker, I need to find a ride. Okay. Or else I need to see the posted rights which will be suitable for me, or I need to see the started or reach rights. You can find that in these tabs here. You can see the three tabs: posted, started, and reached. Okay. So in the posted, so when we are finding a ride for the first time, suppose posted rights, available rights will be shown up in the posted rights tab. Okay. So I'll be searching here for suppose Sagar Ring Road rights. Okay. Click on search by entering the SRR. So whatever the keyword Sagar Ring Road, you type it. So here it is shown one ride here. Okay. So this ride will go through Sagar Ring Road. Okay. So you can see that ride and you can request. Suppose click on that ride here. Okay. You can see the other extra details: starting point and destination point, via locations, and how many vacancies are there. Okay. You can see that. And here you can see the request for ride option. So if I click this, so your request will be sent to that particular rider. Okay. Come to the find a ride tab. Okay, by clicking it again. So these are the all you can see here. So these are all posted rides, currently live rides posted here. So these all rides are going to start in the next 1 minute or 5 minutes. So the coming up time. Okay. So total posted rides is 13 here. Okay. This is the posted rides and started rides. So whatever the ride started, you can find all those started rides here. So whenever the ride is getting started, the rider will update as by selecting the start ride option. I will show that how to do that. And in the reach rides, you can find all the reach rides. Suppose if you want to track, I mean any person whether he reach home or not, so you can see the ride particular rider details or the rides details. So you can find it here by searching
Uh,
any I mean name also here.
Posham garu, sorry to disturb. I think we need to make one disclaimer. Currently, you are sharing desktop, right?
Yeah, right, right. Yeah.
So yeah, UI is different for mobile app. Sorry, on mobile.
Oh, okay. So the UI will be, I mean, I think the rights will be shown in a single line, right, in the mobile
Right.
screen. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So I think there are no, not major changes compared to the mobile UI and the browser UI. I think so. Okay. Anyhow, we'll address those things. Okay. So this is about the finding right. So you can find the right by a location name, or suppose any area name, or office location or office name, or suppose a number like any the TRID number or the mobile number. If you know the rider name, you can find that with by searching with the rider name, okay, or his mobile number or TRID or a location name or a office name. So you can search with all those keywords here. Okay. Suppose if I want to search with a mobile number, okay. So see, this mobile number is of this particular rider, Posham TRID, this one, and so these are all, these two rides are reached, right? So these are all showing up here after clicking on search. Okay, so that is how we can search for a ride. So anybody is having any doubts till now here? So any issue in updating these details till now? And okay, so let me go ahead. So if I'm a rider, so I'm on my home page. Okay, so you can see three icons here at the bottom of the right side. Okay, so here if you click on this plus icon, so one is for search for a ride, that is for seeker, and the other one is for the car symbol is for posting the ride here. Okay, so I clicked on that car symbol here, so post your ride window came up. Okay, so if you click on this vehicle, this particular column, so you can see my car, the vehicle number is coming up here. These details are already entered, so that's why it is showing up here. Otherwise, if you didn't updated any profile details, any vehicle details there, so it won't show up here. I think some of the users facing the issue because they have not updated their profile details. The profile will contain the location details, vehicle details, and the personal details. Okay, so I'll be selecting this vehicle here and my source. So these are the locations which I have added in my locations tab in the profile. So I can select, suppose if I'm posting it from my home to reach the office, so I'll be selecting the home, and the destination I will select it as office. I'm just selecting it from the drop down only. Okay, I'm not entering or I'm not typing. Okay, so the select wire route, two wire routes are here. Okay, if you select the wire route, that will show all the details. This is one of the wire route I updated here. Suppose if you select the other one, so Sagar Ring Road. So these details according to your the way you change your ride route, you can update those. And the start time. Okay, so start time you can enter here. I think it is not showing up uh, the time option here. Maybe the browser compatibility issue here. So here you need to select the time. It will show up the time here, and you need to select the start time here and the vacancies. So here you can update the vacancies details. Okay, so after that I'll be whether it will take or not, let me check. So this is not taking. Okay, let me check my
Actually, our website is mainly used for Google Chrome.
okay, so I'm here on my
So
Google
that
Chrome. Okay, I'm here on my Google Chrome. So let me post it from here. So the browser compatibility issue. Okay, so I'll be selecting the vehicle details and the locations details here. Okay, okay, so here you can see which we are not getting in. Okay, Okay, I selected 10 p.m. Okay, and vacancies. Okay, I'm posting my ride. Okay, your start time must be at least 10 minutes. Okay, so this is also one thing we need to consider. So I just posted ride in the next 6 minutes, right? So it will be minimum at least 10 minutes before. Okay, so select the time accordingly. Okay, okay, click on post my ride. Okay, so as a rider, so whenever I post a ride, so it will be shown up here like this. So you can see the four vacancies. Okay, so this meeting will end in 10 minutes. Okay, I think it's already 40 minutes. I think we started. So let me complete this. So this ride will be shown up here. Whatever the ride I posted. So suppose if any people are doing fixed ride, fixed travel with you, so you can update those seekers details here. So you can see the seeker name tab here. Suppose let me enter one of this. Okay, you can see the um, seeker TRID and his name here. Okay, you can select that, and you can see the add seeker option here. Okay, so that seeker will be added here. Okay, and if you want to add one more, so you can add that. Okay, okay, and suppose if any person who is not in the TechieRide group or not in our carpool community, so if he's going to travel with us, so then we can enter any his name here. Okay, guest name, and then add guest. Okay. Okay, so the guest name you can see here. Okay, so according to whatever the seeker details you updated here, so the vacancies will be automatically updated here. I have added two seekers and one guest. So three vacancies got deducted and one vacancy you can see here. And here, so when you are about to start, when you are starting your ride, you can select the start ride option. And then after start ride option enabled, so then you can see the end ride option. So when you reach your destination, you can select the end ride option, and then you will end the ride. So even the seeker who is traveling with you, so they can select the start ride option. But as a rider, so when you reach your destination, you can select the end ride option. Okay. So those are the, I mean, as a seeker, and so whenever you select, I mean, find a ride as a seeker, so you can go here and suppose I want to select.
Even I requested for a
Sorry.
ride.
Oh, okay.
I
So
requested for a ride in your ride.
okay, okay. Let me.
Even I also requested for the same.
Yeah, I can. You can see here, right? So two requests I got as a, I mean, here as a seeker from the seekers. Okay. So let me accept the request. Okay. So I have accepted. So as I have only one vacancy, I got two requests. As soon as I accepted one request, so the other request disappeared from here because there is no vacancy, right? Vacancy is zero. So whatever the first come request, so we'll be accepting that. So then here the vacancy is submitted as zero. Okay, so this is how the rider will accept the ride request, and find ride also I have shown you, right? So here, so I have not yet started my ride. So suppose if anybody wants to search with my name, so they can search here and they can see my ride and zero vacancies, right? So this is how the posting ride and requesting for a vacancy. Okay, so any doubts here, whoever joined this meeting, so any doubt they can ask me now. Okay, because this meeting will be ended in another 6 minutes, so any queries or doubts you can ask now, and we'll be sharing this recording also after this. Okay, any doubts?
Hey, hi, Krishna here. Is
Yeah,
my voice audible?
yeah, right. Hi Krishna.
Yeah. So is this vacancy limited to two? Because in my app I see it is limited to two vacancies.
Okay, that means when you are entering your profile details, okay, the
Yeah.
comfort capacity you may have updated it as two, so then it won't allow you to post more than the two vacancies. Okay, so in the
Okay.
profile details, if you see the vehicle details, Here the comfort capacity is there, right? You can update that to 4 or 5, whatever the capacity of your vehicle. Then you will be able to post those many vacancies. Okay.
Okay. My next question is, it's like, see, when you're trying to post a ride, right? It is saying you cannot post a ride within 10 minutes, before 10 minutes of the thing.
Yeah,
So
right.
see, because I've just done TechieRide 2 weeks ago. This is the first day I've not got a single call after I put this request on the app, and I put it 30 minutes ago. But is there any plan to actually make it more friendly? Or I understand there has been a lot of effort put into this.
Yes, right. So this is just we have. I mean, from today onwards, officially we started using, right. So we'll be making some of the changes for the, I mean, accurate and the exact functioning of this particular web app. Okay. So as of now, you need to post the ride at least 10 minutes before. So the app won't accept if you are posting it less than 10 minutes. And one more thing is, zero vacancies also it is not accepting as of now. So we'll be updating that also soon. So
Okay.
those are
To add more on Posham point, because as when we are developing, we found, and testing, we found many changes. Those are in a coming in next phase of enhancements. So we are working on those areas.
And Hari and Poshan, good work, man. I see a lot of thing in one app. Good. And can this be accessible on the web, or it's only on the mobile? Because I see you are accessing it on the web.
yeah. So on mobile also we can I mean, access.
No. I'm accessing on the mobile. I'm not accessed on the web or directly on my laptop.
Yeah. You can access by
So,
laptop also. By browser you can
oh,
by app.techieride.in.
so is,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, and great work, man. Great work. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. So, and one more thing. So suppose if you forgot your password, so you can select the forgot password option from the login page, and your password will be getting regenerated and sent to your personal mail ID, and you can use that password for logging in again. And if you want to change the password, so you can change that by going to the profile tab. There will be new password option here at the bottom of the profile page, so you can update that password also. So any doubts or any queries from the other participants in this meeting? Because we have some 3 minutes left.
Yeah, this is Bashid here.
Yeah. Hi, Bashir.
Is it audible?
Yes, we can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah, once I have posted the one ride, if you want to edit it the time, I'm not able to edit the time.
Okay. I mean, did you try it? In less than of 10 minutes of time where you
No, after 1 hour also I tried it. I'm not editable that time. If I want to change it to time for another after 15 minutes or another after 30 minutes.
Okay. So in the meanwhile, after you posted the ride, did you accepted any request from the seekers, and then you trying to change the ride time?
No, I didn't accept any request.
Okay.
Still, I want to change the ride time.
Okay.
So I didn't get any option for the time change, editable for the time change.
Okay, so let me try that here. So my start time is this one. Okay, so yeah, I think this one also. I mean, we can note down and we can make that change. The coming up updates of the app, right? So Raju, that's correct, right? So we can do this change, right?
Yes.
There is a Pusham, there is a workaround. So probably time being, what you can do is you can cancel the ride and you can post it.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
today I did same.
Right.
So if you already accepted few ride requests, you need to cancel them or you need to reject them and cancel complete ride.
Yeah, if accepted seekers are there, then you may have to do that by contacting these. But or else, whenever you're reposting it again, you can add the seekers.
We need to add it.
Yeah.
We need to add it again.
Yeah, right.
One more thing is, so earlier we used to be